Today I am going to be talking about defense equipment maintenance, a service specific approach. The maintenance of defense equipment is essential to military operations, but the approach differs significantly across branches. Each service, the Army, Navy, and Air Force, tailors maintenance processes to its unique operational needs, environment, and equipment, while sharing fundamental principles aimed at minimizing downtime and maximizing equipment longevity. In today's talk, I'll explore the core elements of defense maintenance, its branch specific variations, and the common pitfalls, underscoring the need for well trained personnel and strategic planning. Now, let's first look at the what are the core elements of maintenance. The primary aim of maintenance in defense is to ensure optimal equipment functionality, minimize downtime, and extend the lifespan of assets. Achieving these objectives involves several maintenance strategies. The first one, which is there, is preventive maintenance. In this, routine inspections and scheduled services prevent unexpected breakdowns. The next one is predictive maintenance, which involves leveraging sensor data, thermal imaging, and condition monitoring. Predictive maintenance aims to address potential failures before they occur. The next one is corrective maintenance. These are reactive repairs and are made when equipment has already broken down. This tends to be costly and is typically a last resort. Then we have the reliability centered maintenance, or RCM. This strategic approach assesses failures to develop the most efficient maintenance methods for specific equipment. Then we can also look at the computerized maintenance management systems, now or called CMMS. Now, CMMS software assists with work, order management, inventory control, and asset tracking, streamlining, scheduling, and record keeping and reporting. Then we can look at root cause analysis. In this, we deal with identifying the underlying cause for equipment failures, and it enables targeted solutions which reduces future issues. Another aspect is inventory and spare management. Efficient spare management ensures the availability of necessary parts, which involves tracking usage, reordering cycles, and storage. Then another important aspect is documentation and record keeping. Maintenance records such as inspection reports and repair logs aid in trend analysis, regulatory compliance, and informed decision making. Another aspect is training and skill development. Training personnel is critical as skilled maintainers are essential for both new and legacy equipment. Another aspect is safety protocols. Ensuring adherence to safety standards is paramount during all maintenance activities. Now, these components I mentioned together, these components form a proactive maintenance framework that enhance reliability, minimize unplanned downtime, and optimizes resources. Now, let's look at what the Army, Navy, and Air Force specific maintenance. Now, each branch has a distinct maintenance strategy shaped by its operational environment and asset deployment. Now, look at the Army, for instance, where the main features are mobility and flexibility. Army equipment operates in diverse terrains, from deserts to high altitudes, enduring harsh conditions such as dust, mud, and extreme temperatures. Given the Army's expansive deployment areas, maintenance must be highly mobile. On-site repairs are often necessary, supported by mobile repair teams and field workshops that move with frontline troops. Skilled manpower is essential for the Army, as maintenance personnel are often deployed in remote locations where logistical support may be limited. Maintenance teams must be carefully composed with the right skills, tools, and spares, as reallocation is challenging once deployed. Preventive maintenance, including daily and weekly checks, is prioritized, as is retraining to ensure a young, physically capable workforce ready for deployment in high stress environments. In the case of Navy, the maintenance requires self reliance and corrosion prevention. Naval systems are designed for long term operations at sea, where maintenance focuses on preventing corrosion. Unlike Army teams spread across vast areas, naval personnel remain collectively on board Simplifying coordination. Spares are carried on board but carefully planned so that overstocking is avoided. While ships perform regular maintenance at sea, major repairs and upgrades occur at shipyards or naval bases. Redundant systems are built into ship design, ensuring resilience during extended deployments. As with the Army, ongoing training is crucial, with the added emphasis on corrosion management and redundancy. In the case of Air Force, the keywords are precision and safety. Airborne systems necessitate a highly specialized maintenance approach due to their complexity and the high risk nature of aviation. Maintenance personnel stationed at air bases undergo intensive training to ensure precision repairs. Aircrafts undergo rigorous pre and post flight inspections with meticulous documentation to avoid any lapse in safety standards. The Air Force benefits from centralized spare storage at air bases, though forward bases require readily available spare parts for operational efficiency. Precision is paramount and maintenance protocols are stringent, especially for avionics, communication, and navigation systems. Now let's look at the maintenance cycles, their complexity and logistics. The Army's maintenance schedules are flexible and mission dependent with frequent spot checks. The Navy adheres to a rigorous planned schedule, aligning maintenance with docking cycles. The Air Force conducts regular checks pre and post flight with extensive inspections during downtime. Another aspect is we have to look at is the complexity and skills. Army personnel need the agility and expertise to perform maintenance under field conditions. Navy personnel rely on onboard specialization, while Air Force personnel require advanced technical training for high precision tasks. Another aspect which we can look at is logistics and supply chain. Army spares are distributed for mobility, while the Navy spares are stored on board and carefully managed. The Air Force centralizes spares at bases but requires rapid access at forward bases. Now, what are the common pitfalls in defense maintenance? Now, each branch faces unique maintenance challenges, yet some issues are universal across the services. First is neglect of preventive maintenance. Skipping preventive checks increases the likelihood of equipment failure during critical moments. The other aspect is corrosion. The Navy faces a heightened risk for corrosion. Regular anti-corrosion treatments are necessary to prevent premature degradation. Another aspect is documentation. Incomplete records or let's say poor documentation can lead to missed inspections, safety hazards, and regulatory issues, particularly in the Air Force, where every detail is crucial. Another vulnerability is cybersecurity. As military equipment becomes increasingly digitized, securing maintenance systems and digital controls against cyber threats is essential. Another issue is training and skill development. Inadequately trained personnel can compromise safety and performance, making consistent training essential. Another aspect is communication and coordination. Misalignment in resource allocation and poor communication can severely hinder maintenance, particularly for Army and Navy field operations. The role of the maintainer is another aspect, and that continuous training and experience transfer is essential. At the core of all defense maintenance is the maintainer. Unlike civilian industries where service stations or fixed industrial facilities offer support, the armed forces operate in dynamic environments with young personnel who must be capable of maintaining equipment independently in the field. One approach to addressing this challenge is rotating young field personnel to maintenance depots periodically. Here they can work alongside experienced maintainers, gaining hands-on knowledge and nuances that only experienced personnel can impart. When these young maintainers return to the field, they bring invaluable skills and confidence, critical for operational success, and that also under pressure. To sum up, military maintenance is integral to operational readiness, safety, and longevity of equipment. demanding a blend of technical expertise, rigorous planning, and adaptability to branch specific needs. By investing in skilled manpower, tailoring strategies to each service operational demand, and continually refining training, defense maintenance planners can ensure mission critical equipment performs reliably even in the most challenging conditions. Thank you for listening. We look forward to bringing more such episodes to you. Jai Hind.